Hello, my name is Scott, and I'm the owner of Climb On Indoor Rock Climbing Gym in Wilmington, North Carolina. Today we're going to discuss how to build a rappel harness. The first thing I'm going to do is take the webbing that I'm going to use to build it and tie 2 leg loops, just using overhand knots. Once you step into your leg loops and bring them up around your waist, we're going to take the rest of the webbing and we're going to wrap it around our waist and through our leg loop on each side, come up and around our body. Using a water knot, we would tie our webbing together in the front. Once we've tied our water knot, we would clip all of our webbing together with a carabiner. Once you've got your rappelling harness clipped in with your locking carabiner, you're ready to rappel. Again, this is very important to get proper instruction from your local indoor climbing gym or your local climbing guide. This has been how to build a rappel harness.